Hello and welcome back. Okay, yes, whoever have any question, you can unmute yourself and shoot the questions at him.
Kill me with the questions.
Yes, Ritu, you have a question for him?
Hi.
Yes,
Hi, Suma.
yes, I
Not really. I just joined back to. Yeah. I have met Kudrat quite a few times.
Okay.
Yeah, I was glad to see him again.
Wait, where I don't remember.
I think the last we met was Pondicherry. There was a Q&A session similarly with parents. 1 second. Yeah, I'm not sure. You might have met a lot of people, so I don't know if you remember.
Yes, now I remember. I think.
Yeah. Right.
Anyone else have any questions? Looks like
Okay, so I have one. Kudrat, I think it will probably help others also. You were saying you were 24/7, you were doing videography, right? When you got into it. And you were talking about the flow, and the more important part for us probably is your parents allowed you to be in that flow.
Right.
What does that really mean?
That means like being quiet and sitting in a corner. Just kidding. Uh, that means that you don't demotivate your kid when he's or she is
Hmm.
doing something. Yeah, that means when
Yeah.
they come to you and you
Hmm.
only criticize them and say that oh,
Hmm.
this drawing, this circle is not the right way, then the kid
Hmm.
won't continue it. Uh,
Yes.
it just
Yes.
means that being
Yeah.
it doesn't mean that uh, you lie to your kids, but it means that you don't disrespect their art.
Yeah. So definitely it means being authentic, but not discouraging or what I was having in mind was like these hours and hours of work you were saying, right? 24/7. Was there a point when they felt you were not really uh, like, I mean, you probably not even think about more about sleeping or eating, but totally into what you were doing? Probably till you reached a certain point where you felt, yeah, I've finished something. Now I can, take a break and do something else.
Right.
So that aspect, right? Because especially with screen time, people worry so much. And if you're doing a lot of editing and if you're doing a lot of recording, so there's a lot of focus which needs to be, and you're probably doing something repetitive, which might look unbalanced to the parent, but there's a lot of
Right.
learning which is happening and which should not or may not, I mean, should not be broken for a certain learning thing to, reach a certain point.
Right.
So, how patient were your parents at that point, and how?
Uh, so mothers are going to be mothers. Uh, so I also had to be patient. It's not like they only had to be patient. Uh, there was a time where we were on gadgets a lot, and I mean they were also patient, but they also lose their mind. Like my mom, wait, is she in this call? Okay, okay, all right. That's not a problem. Let's reveal all the secrets. So when when we used to use a lot of gadgets or play games in specific, she used to get mad a lot, and the main reason was that she didn't understand what we were doing, and there was no effort from us that making her understand what we are doing. So when those outbursts happened, we we kind of analyzed it and we saw the problem. And we got to know that she doesn't understand what we are doing. So we started talking to her about that specific game or about that specific video that I'm watching. So when when I explained her that, oh, this video is about that and that person's talking this and this is my purpose of watching it, then when she understood it, she kind of gets it. And then she kind of stopped uh, shouting or whatever mothers do. uh, but your kid always can't tell you what they're doing because if you bug them a lot, obviously they won't tell you. सब लोग patient नहीं होते. But yeah, it kind of helped her that we explained her that what we are doing. Not every time though, but like a lot. Other than that, I mean, those are human things. I don't think anyone can escape from that motherly sleeping in time, giving food to my children, stuff like that. I don't think you can escape that.
So
Yeah,
keeping an open channel of communication really helped to
yeah, yeah,
help them understand, and you understand their concerns. And
yeah.
yeah,
And I
great.
also say that like I need this moment. Like, don't come in. Like, thank you. This is done. Yeah.
Yeah, my son does that too. If there is some competitive match or something going on online, he tells me, I'm these 2 hours I need on my own, no disturbing.
Yeah.
Or I'm recording something right now, so don't, video bomb or something right when I'm
Yes.
doing it. So exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. But like you
Thank
said, the
you.
communication helped.
Yes. Okay.
Wait, I think my camera is disconnected. Just a second. You can continue. I'm still here.
Yeah, that's about it from my side. I just thought it's good to,
All right.
give a little more clarity on that, because I think most of the parents here have very young kids, so they'll start seeing this a little later, especially in teenage
Yeah.
when communication is a little harder.
Yeah. When
Yeah.
talking turns into arguments.
Yeah, it can. Yeah, it's easy to rub each other the wrong way.
Right.
Right. That's it. Thank you, Suma. You're on mute, Suma. You're on mute.
Thank you, Rituma. Thank you so much. Yeah, so yeah, there is a question on the chat. It says, my 6-year-old daughter is interested in photography, thinking as to how should I take it forward so that it can help her in future. What would you like to say for that question?
Just a second. I'm changing my camera battery. Just give me 2 seconds.
If anyone wants to ask him questions, you can unmute yourself and come online.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Where there's a question on the chat. Wait, I'll read it.
There. Can you see it? Do you want me to read it?
Yeah, no, I can see. Okay. Maybe you can start with just going on photo walks. That's what I used to do. I did it alone, but with a parent never. Maybe you can try alone. How old is? Oh, she's 6. Yeah, you can go. You can go with her and do little photo walks and try to capture random things, not anything specific. Don't say that, oh, capture that bird, oh, capture that. Oh, just go with the camera and just go with the flow and start clicking random stuff. uh, there shouldn't be a structure if she wants it. Just go. I think just go on photo walks. I mean that's the first step, and then rest. There are a lot of videos and there are a lot of those kind of things, but those are very technical. And I think when you start something, you shouldn't start the technicalities.
I think when you start something also, it should be more on an exploration level. Just let the kid
Yeah.
do what they want to do. And eventually, I guess the freedom you give, they would figure out what to do. If you start with when they're doing something and say, don't do this, do that, do this, do that, so you're stopping them immediately and they're like, okay, enough of this headache. I don't want to do anything.
Right.
Yeah, so just yeah, you can like you got to know how the interest is created. Maybe she takes the phone and clicks some pictures. Let her do that. She's still 6 years old. And maybe by 7 she might come up. We parents pounce on is if we find an interest, we want to make it big immediately.
And that's like, I think that's in India, that's even more powerful for some reason.
Yeah, parents always want to be in control, even if it's child. Okay, anyone else have any questions? Please come on, Mike, and ask him. So, by the time someone comes, I have a question. So, what do you think
Yeah.
is a parent's role when they're letting the child be self-directed? Like, what do you think is their role? What role are they playing?
It's a little hard because the question is a little tough because it depends on the parent, because humans are very different uh, from everyone.
Okay,
Apparently,
tell
they
me,
have
what did
different.
your parents do?
I can't speak about them. I can't speak about them, but I can speak about what my head thinks.
Yeah,
Uh,
correct. What you
uh,
perceive, what they did to make you like this.
yeah, I, I, I mean that's also a doubt. Like I don't think they, yeah, obviously they played a role, but there was when it comes to growth, it's like मुझे कभी कभी लगता है you might think this is arrogant, but it might be true. Like when you put the seed, you it's it's similar. I mean, I'm using these metaphors in philosophy, but it's similar when you grow a plant. You don't actually do anything to grow it. You just provide it. You just provide space for it. So I think if you have kids, my suggestion would be don't have kids with like all planned, and I would have this kid, and that kid would do this, and that at the age of 20 that kid would give me this much money, and then and I'll be retired. Don't, you shouldn't have kids if you like, if that's your aim. Just think think about it in a way that you're just growing a plant, and you're providing a space, and they'll take the nutrients from the ground. They'll lay their roots, and they'll find things on their own. You just have to give them the space. I hope that answers. I don't know. It's a tricky
No,
metaphor.
that's
I
actually
don't know if it
very
applies.
amazing answer. But yeah, I mean, as long as you think you are the one who is the whole responsible person as to how the child grow up, then you take a lot of burden on yourself. But that's not true.
True.
A child is his own. I mean, no one is responsible for the child. And yeah,
Yeah.
giving them space to grow is an amazing thing a parent can do. You are correct. Okay. Anyone else want to ask any question?
One more thing I would like to add on that is like this term is very famous. Kids are blank slate. That's that's a bunch of bullshit. Yeah, that's it. Continue.
It is actually. Yeah. Okay. So it's like I have to ask all the questions. Okay. Let's say, what about screen time? When you were younger, were your screen time very controlled? Because lots of fights nowadays, I guess, happen on screen time, which
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah. Go on.
So our childhood has been very different. We didn't have gadgets till the age of 13. Uh, it's not like we didn't ask for them. Sorry, we didn't ask for them because we were in nature most of the time, or we were traveling, and we used to love nature. We used to love water. We used to love mountains. So we were too busy trekking. Uh, when filmmaking happened, or for Ajanda, when gaming happened, when music making happened, then the gadgets played a role. uh, First time I saw gadgets when it was in my friend's house, and TV was something that like it is destructive, but it's fun also. It's fun. So yeah, there we had fights. Like I used to go run off and watch TV, but then later they discovered that it's nothing if I consciously watch it. So yeah, I mean that's about it. We didn't have access to gadgets that early, so I don't have a larger perspective on it. Uh, but I think when you, I don't know about this age, but that age, a lot of kids needed nature, and I think we were part of that generation maybe. So we got to live in nature a lot, and I love nature. Even the space right now I'm living is surrounded with trees. Uh, I'm near Oroville, so for me it's, I mean, I have all the technology in the world, and I also have nature. So I think it's balanced, but a lot of people don't think it's balanced. But that's okay. I'm just trying to figure out, and they're also trying to figure out. It's all right.
Okay, so if you say you were not introduced to gadgets till you were 12 or 13, so how did this interest in photography or videography come into picture? So you were in another world, but this is completely a different world. So how did that spark come about?
So I was seeing cameras with in Shikshantra, and I started using them. They were just lying around, and then I saw cameras with my friends, and I just started using them because they were not using them. So that's how it started. And someone gave me a camera, and I was like, "Take it, chalo, let's do it." And then at that time, I didn't know how to edit, and I didn't have any interest in editing. And when I got an interest, we got a laptop. So yeah, that's about it. I was gonna say something. Screen time. I was gonna say something about screen time. Social media, yeah. So I think this generation and even my generation, like, there's a lot of importance to social media.
Dude, you're not old, okay? Why are you saying this generation, my generation?
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि last time when I did the talk, like, I'm just being careful. Yeah, I mean, we need social media to interact, and I think that's one place which I've, like, that was kind of battling, uh, where they wouldn't get the kind of videos I was watching on YouTube, and they thought it's stupid, but it's all right. I mean, I kind of try to explain, but they wouldn't understand, and that's okay. What I did though, I analyzed their habits. So they used to use Facebook and WhatsApp. I was like, that if you say this is crap, then look at your WhatsApp. That's full of shit. That's even worse than what I'm doing right now. So yeah.
Okay. So, but actually, there's a book by Peter Gray where he says you should always introduce the kids to the tools of the world. And I guess right now, this is the tool of the world. I mean,
It is.
yeah,
It
so
is
we
the
use
tool.
laptops and phones throughout the day and we expect them not to use it. That's really, I don't know.
That's where it gets tricky. That's the, like, the reason we didn't want a phone is because our parents didn't have phones. Like they had this dabba phones. So we, like, the dabba phone is useless. Who wants that? So if they have it, obviously the kid would want it. So yeah, you'd fight the hypocrisy. Yeah.
Okay. Anyone have any questions? Go on. Vinay sir, you have any questions? You wanted to speak to Kudrat.
Who?
There's sir who had just come before you could come, and he wanted to see your video with his son. So I'm just asking if he wants to talk to you. So you never felt like giving your 10th exam or going to college or doing all the fun things?
Fun things. What? Fun things.
Yeah. How is it? What do you mean fun?
College is fun. Apart from studying, I guess everything is fun in college.
I'm super
every
angry right
day,
now at my
every day
friends.
at home is fun. Probably.
I'm right now, I'm deeply, I have anger towards my friends that why are they applying for college? Like, before the pandemic, all my homeschooler friends were like, we want to go to college, we want to experience the life. I said, okay, all right, but how about we can make our own college and stuff. I proposed that, but they said no, they want to experience the life, and then COVID happened.
So they're experiencing COVID.
They're experiencing the college life. Whatever
Online.
they want. Yeah.
So how is that you're so sorted? Like, this is what I want, this is how I want. Like,
For some reason, it comes to me naturally. It's very natural. If I want something, I'll get it. If I want to do something, I'll do it. I don't know. There is a
Suma,
yeah,
I'd like to pitch in here.
yeah.
This we've observed in a lot of homeschool as unschoolers, especially. I wouldn't say homeschoolers, that they're super confident. They have certain clarity which comes with the kind of space they're given, the space, time, and of course a lot of discussions which are authentic discussions, like you were saying. It can't be like a forced thing that you have to have a certain discipline or this or that. It has to be like that without discussing why we're really concerned about anything. So with that and even their own individual thinking, children, if they have time, they think about a lot of things. Probably which they don't talk about everything, but when you speak to them, you understand how much they know of the world and how much they understand and what is it they want and don't want. And if you give them the space, right, to make their own choices, learn from their mistakes, that giving that space, right, and that freedom to explore, make mistakes, learn from it, or maybe not learn from it. But this I've seen in a lot of grown-up unschoolers. They have a lot of clarity, much better than us, our generation, I'd say.
I think
So,
that
ma'am,
clarity
because we
also
went to
comes.
school, no, so our clarity is less.
नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं है. It's not like that. I think the reason there's a lot of clarity is uh, we get to see a lot of people around us, and if you are introduced to freedom and then you see a box and someone say that you have to live in that box, then you can see that box clearly, for me at least. So if someone if I didn't go to school and someone if I didn't go to school for 20 years and someone introduced the concept of school for me, maybe I would go there, or maybe I won't. At least I would have those perspective with me. It's just that we see people who are in the corporate world, who are not in the corporate world. We see people who are in school, who are not in school. So we have a lot of choices and options, and we can see, and we know that. Acha, there is.
Worldview is wider. Worldview is wider, he's
Yeah,
saying.
maybe, yeah. But recently I've discovered something, and this might be a little dark and depressing. But uh, if you notice, I can't speak about everyone or even myself. Homeschooler or unschooler, there's a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety uh, in us, and one of the reason is, like, we have all these choices. We see the world as it is. So it has its own dark side. When you see a capitalist world, when you see a suppressed nation, it's depressing. So it obviously comes with its own baggage. It's not like, oh, everything is happy, because you see the current state of the world is pretty shit, and most of my friends know that, and that's why, like, inside they have this feeling where, why is the world like that? So it's not always positive, and it's okay if that's not positive.
Yeah, it's okay to see the world as it is and probably see it as an opportunity that what can I do in my own way, whatever I'm good at, or however, even if it's an entertaining video online or anything, how can I make it a little better?
Yeah. I think that's what everyone is trying to do in their own ways. Even playing games,
Yep,
connecting to people while playing games.
connect. Yes, yes.
Hi, Kudrat. I had one question
Yeah.
to you. Did you not feel that you wanted to go to college? Maybe you had friends who were going to college, right? Did you feel that you missed that, girlfriends and, getting together with boys, all that? Like, have you ever
एक
felt
मिनट
that?
can you repeat? आपका आवाज थोड़ा कट गया.
Sorry, इधर बहुत बारिश हो रही है. So my
No worries,
question
no
was
worries.
that did you ever feel you missed that teen life of college kids who enjoy getting together with their friends, girlfriends, and all that movie stuff? Did you not feel you missed that?
So one of my friends.
See, actually, you should remember that no one asked you, did you miss college for studying part, okay? It's all the other parts that everyone is asking you and missing.
Yeah. Studying, I think college is not for studying. Everyone who goes to college is friends and their time. And that's a fact. Uh, Me and my friends were just talking about that. So when you really look at it, when I really see college kids or anyone, the teenage drama is actually horrible. It's not like the films. It's not that easy. First of all, it's not like the shows. It's not that easy. There's a lot of bullying happening. There's a lot of stigmas being created. And there's uh, a lot of negativity which people just upsee and go away. So there is no perfect college life if you see. Uh, and when it comes to girlfriends or relationships, for some reason I think college it shouldn't be a place to experiment that. For some reason I think that, and I stand by that. Maybe I didn't because maybe I don't want to go to college, but yeah, that's one of the reasons. Uh, it's when I was talking to my college friend, she just passed out. The life is not like the shows. It's actually brutal when you're an introvert or when you're different. Because a lot of college kids try to connect with me and they say they want to get out of the system because they can't handle it. So I'm glad that I didn't go there because I don't, there is a good part about college too, like having friends. But again, like, is there a value? Is there conscious effort on that? I don't know. Maybe there is, maybe there's not. I can't speak much because I didn't go there. But yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, Kudrat. I don't think you have missed a lot, but I know you have a sorted way of why you did not choose college. So great to know that.
So, just one last question. So, is that only you are sorted because you are an unschooler, or all your friends are like this sorted?
I think there's a misconception. I don't know how you guys see us sorted. We are the most confusing, arrogant little pieces of shit. How do you see us sorted? I have no idea. First of all, we are not sorted. We are still figuring out. It's just we have some things sorted which are very basic, which you think, oh, it's amazing. But at deeper level, no one is sorted. I, I have no idea. I don't understand that. Maybe because I'm an unschooler, but I don't understand that.
Let's celebrate your unsortedness. Don't get angry, okay? Okay, anyone else have any questions? Kudrat is going to play a song for us.
I don't know how to sing.
Okay, you can play your guitar then.
It's a ukulele. Wait, what I can do is I can
Yeah.
promote my channel here.
Yes, go ahead.
There's a lot of triggering content there for parents. If you watch it, you might be triggered, and I want you to be triggered.
You want me to
I'll just share it.
make you the co-host?
No, I'll just share the link. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is my channel. When I started, like you can see my evolution from shitty films to what I think they are decent films. I don't post everything here. I just post my expressions. So yeah, there's a lot of content about unschooling there. You can check it out if you want to. Those content are triggering, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, a lot of people hates me because of that, but that's all right. I mean, it's okay.
Okay, so anyone have any questions, or Kudrat is gonna play his guitar and we'll all say bye.
Yeah, we'll hear. Kudrat, Vinay here.
Yes.
Not everybody here thinks that you're all sorted. So I do keep a watch on you.
Yes.
I hope you do remember. I think Ritu spoke sometime back, right? I'll just show my face saying, hi, I'm watching you
Hello.
and I'm happy to see you about. Right. So keep up your work. All the best. So we'll keep meeting. I think like how you are growing, right? I'm still as young as you. Right. I
Yes.
feel that way. I actually always like even in Pondicherry when we met, I think most of the time you would have seen me outside of the parents group. And I used to be with them. I used to be with kids
Mostly,
and you guys.
Yes.
Near that 4 pillars, you guys used to climb and like you guys used to talk and like do your own stuff, right? I used to be around there if you remember.
Yes,
right.
I remember.
So all the best. Take care.
Yes.
Go
हम
ahead,
मिलते हैं.
buddy.
Yes.
Haji. Yeah.
Okay, there's a question. Have you ever faced a situation where you thought education certificate would have helped you?
Yeah. Corporate world sadly functions on certificates. That was the reality 10 years ago, by the way. Right now, it's there, but it's very little. I felt that once where I was getting this project and they kind of asked for my qualifications. And for some reason, they wanted my resume and I didn't have the resume. Uh, I just had the I just had a portfolio, which didn't matter to them. They wanted the ranks. So there was like this one time, but later stages it became less and less and less, and now it's almost nowhere. Recently, I worked with a company called Gratitude Farms, and it's run by people of army, which are like prone to education and stuff. And then they knew that I'm on schooling, and they were like totally cool with it. So yeah, what is he showing?
Some musical card you had lost. Okay, that's all. Anyone else have any questions? Okay, Kudrat, you can play as your guitar.
I don't know how to play.
Come on, it's okay, you can try.
I'm just gonna randomly play something. Wait, I can also plug here. I can also plug my Spotify account here. Never mind.
Okay.
Where do you live? Yeah, आप लोग कहाँ पे हो सब लोग? Can I know?
Most of us are in
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Oh.
Bangalore.
Hello. I'll be in Bangalore.
But yeah, I was about to say let's all meet up.
Yeah, let us know. Let us know. We'll meet.
Okay. I'll stay connected with the yummy mummy.
Kudrat, can we speak to your parents?
कौन रोक रहा है? Who's stopping? Go talk to them. No.
Next time I'm going to do with your parents and find out all that you did to them.
I think my father won't be there, but my mother maybe she might come. I'm not sure.
Your father doesn't come online?
He's in a very different path right now.
Okay.
He's into spirituality, so he doesn't like to show his face.
Okay. It was great speaking to you, Kudrat.
Yeah, maza aaya.
Yeah. And it's okay. Don't worry if you're not sorted. Okay. I'm not thinking you're sorted.
It's all right. Even if you think, chalega.
Yeah.
Chalta hai.
So all the best for your future. Keep in touch. And yeah, if you need any help, we can post the question in our community and get you any help if we can.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And all of you have a great evening.
Thank you, Gudrat.
Shukriya
Good
for
to
having
see
me here. For
Hey,
thinking
thanks,
that
buddy.
I'm
It's
worthy of
mutual.
coming here.
Hey, it's mutual. Don't worry. Keep up.
Yes.
Bye, everybody. Take care. Bye,
Chaliye,
Kudrat.
bye.
Thank you so much.